make sure that we do that. So it should be Nano Banana powered. That's the API we want to use for coding this bad boy. And the other thing that we can do whilst waiting is we can actually, for example, take an image like this, right? Take an image like that. We can copy it and we can go straight into Nano Banana here. If we click on create images on the drop down, paste in the thumbnail we want to do, I'm just going to say reverse the colors on this. And then whilst we're building out the tool, we'll get a reversed image of the colors on this. And then I'm going to turn it into a thumbnail. Now, this is pretty useful because, for example, let's say, you know, I've got a YouTube channel here. We're generating thumbnails every day. It gets expensive, right? You can easily end up spending anywhere between $20 to $60 per thumbnail. Like that, you can easily rack up that much, right? And so what you can do is you can easily just generate an alternative thumbnail like you can see right here. I'm also going to say, okay, make it high res plus improve the quality, because the quality is pretty bad on that original one. And then over here, we've got the tool for the thumbnail transformer. So I'm going to upload so this is the one that we actually just built. I'll upload that screenshot that we literally just took, which is this one. And then we should be able to transform the image using this tool here. Now, if it actually works, I'll also share with you the tool for free as well, right? So we'll see how it goes. We've got a few requests as well. So Swift Ace is asking for an Uber app for musicians, which would be pretty cool. I think we could probably do that. Look at these thumbnails. That's pretty cool. That's awesome. That one is nice, right? I mean, like that's the cool thing about getting these options as well. So you got alternative to the original and the inverted. Honestly, I would go with that out of all of them. And then we also got Ibrahim who says Gemini isn't way good at designing like Claude. How to make it designing better? You can see right here that image is better than most humans could design, right? So what we're going to do over here is we're going to go over to Canva, right? So I'm going to sign into Canva here. Then we're going to zoom in and we are on the wrong one. So I'm going to just create a new slide over here. There we go. Boom. Then we'll paste this in. So this is our new thumbnail that was generated with the tool we just built. There we go. Beautiful. Absolutely fantabulous, isn't it? And then we're going to download that JPEG, high quality. Just download the current page. And boom, shakalaka, we just created a custom thumbnail in like one click, right? And so this is way, way, way better at designing than anything else I can see.